The future of Ellis Park appears to be in question. The Kentucky Supreme Court decided to temporarily halt historical horse racing machines, which allow people to bet on past horse races.
And if state lawmakers don't act, Ellis officials say the 99-year-old track could be in jeopardy of closing. Eyewitness News' Jill Wilderman has details.
September, the Supreme Court ruled is that these devices don't meet the standard of historical racing.
Ellis Park General Manager Jeff Inman has worked in the industry for more than 30 years, and now his main concern is just keeping the doors open at Ellis Park. In September, a declaration came in a 7-0 decision by the Kentucky Supreme Court, striking down historical horse racing. The Family Foundation echoed this notion, saying, "The Family Foundation is grateful to the justices for seeing through the smokescreen generated by the tracks and the Kentucky Horse Racing Commission that for years has masked a form of gambling that ignored the clear legal definition of pari-mutuel wagering. For more than 10 years, historical horse racing in Kentucky has been a large draw at Ellis Park, but now it awaits its fate as it sits in the hands of lawmakers. Without HHR, Inman says Ellis Park cannot remain open.
Right now, these HHR units are what's keeping Ellis alive, and it's what's supporting the thoroughbred industry in the Commonwealth of Kentucky.
Last week, the rehearing requested by the Kentucky Horse Racing Commission was turned down by the court. Ellis Park now looks to its supporters for help.
I can't tell you the amount of support that we get in the tri-state community. People really love us here. I'm really focused on making this a place that we can really be proud of again. But to get there, we've got to keep HHR here.
It's huge, the impact that this would be. I mean, not including the tax dollars for the state of Kentucky and the revenue that Kentucky sees because of the horse racing industry, but just the emotional kind of tie that Ellis Park has with Henderson and the surrounding counties.
One Ellis Park patron says he never would have thought losing the machines could be so detrimental to Ellis Park.
The machines, when they were brought in 10 years ago, they were brought in to, I want to use the word, supplement the horse racing product and increase purses. I never thought that they were meant to support a racetrack or, in fact, have a racetrack come forward and say, we will close if we don't continue to be able to use these machines.
They do have the support of Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear.
Pass sports betting and save historic horse racing.
Ellis Park 99th year, and our 100th year is next year. We would very much like to see 100 years. We have a lot of big plans.
Well, Inman says Ellis Park has big plans for its 100th year, including a $65 million expansion. All of this pending what happens when the legislature reconvenes on February 2nd.